All right, let's talk about the fully funded room. This is happening at the STR Wealth Conference. A lot of you have had questions about it because this has never been done before. And I'll kind of give you some backstory. I was on this guy, Pace Morby's good friend of mine, Gator training. I think it was a Gator training. It was training or a challenge or something that he was doing last Saturday. And he had about 1,200 Gators. And if you don't know what a Gator is in Pace Morby's community, he actually teaches them how to lend private money. So I'm doing this and I'm like, Pace, you're coming and you're doing a session with Jerry Norton, the flipping master, on the opening day of the conference. You're doing a keynote for me, the opening day of the conference. Why don't we need to connect your Gators and other private money lenders with my community. So that's when I thought, you know what? I talked to Chris. He was behind the camera. And this is even before we jumped on and started talking to Pace. I said, Pace, we're going to do a fully funded room. And I'm going to connect your Gators and all of my community that need funding on anything. So this is what it is. We're going to have over 100, probably between 100 to 150 private money lenders. From Pace's Gators, there's going to be a ton of them that are going to be there. If you're a Gator, you're probably going to want to be here too. And then I'm going to send in all of the buyers. And in the short-term rental space, buyers need funding for renovations. A lot of them are working in that fast money lane. They're doing fix and flips as well. The renovations, EMDs, earnest money deposits. Some are probably looking, even though I don't recommend it, for down payments. For multifamily and hotels, they may need help with all of those things and, private money lending to get to reposition. There's a lot of opportunity that's going to happen. So I've got a 600 person room. It is first come, first serve, whether you're a PML or a Gator or an attendee that's looking for funding. And we're going to cap out the private money lenders at 150. So we'll have 450 spots available in the fully funded room. We're going to configure this to where basically we're going to have the fix and flip section. We're going to have, the renovation section. We're going to have all these different things, and not 100% certain on it, to be honest with you, working on that with my team, Chris, the Gators, PMLs, and Pace to kind of figure this out. It may be based on a dollar amount of need, but whatever way it ends up happening, we're going to make sure that it's going to be very easy for you as a buyer walking in to find what you need from a private money lending standpoint. So we're going to make it very easy for those Gators, PMLs, to be able to find you as the buyer. So we're getting feedback from the community right now. All you need to do, there's two things. Number one, you need to make sure you have a ticket to the STR Wealth Conference. You can go to strwealthconference.com to get your ticket. Chris, what's the next step? So then the next step's going to be is to what?
During checkout, they just select they're attending the fully funded.
So at checkout, you select I'm attending. There's a box that you'll check. I want to attend the fully funded room. Remember, there is only 600 spots available for this. It's on a first come, first serve basis. So what do they do if they already have their ticket, Chris?
They just modify the registration and do the same thing. Select.
They've already bought their ticket. So what do? They log back in and then modify their registration and just click the button that says select. I want to attend the fully funded. And if you have any issues with that, then just email team@strwealthcon.com, team@strwealthcon.com. So step one, you don't have a ticket, go to strwealthconference.com, buy your ticket. When you check out, click the box that you want to attend the fully funded room. If you already have your ticket, go back to strwealthconference.com, log in, and then modify your registration and click the box that you want to attend the fully funded room. This is going to be amazing. Chris, I'll bet we're going to have millions of dollars that are going to connected at this conference for people that are in buying mode right now. Remember, cost segregation, 100% accelerated depreciation is coming back, right? There's a lot of people that are going to be jumping in the market. So if you don't have your ticket, you need to get it now because this is first come, first serve basis. Chris, how many do you think we have signed up right now? Probably a couple hundred already? At least 200, 250 that have already signed up. They're going to go quickly. We're sending out an email as soon as I get done recording this video. You probably are even watching this because you saw the email. Remember, 600 spots. What is that, Chris? Wednesday, July 23rd, day one of the conference. You're going to see Pace Morby keynoting. I'm opening up. Then Pace is going to keynote in the morning. We're going to break for lunch. Then we have our 4-hour tracks that afternoon, revenue management, Emil Sakal, Jake Cohen. We've got Pace, Jerry Norton. And right when Pace and Jerry get done, boom, then we're going and filling the fully funded room. Pace said he's going to be in there. I'm sure Jerry's going to stop by as well. I'll be there. We're going to make sure this absolutely crushes. So if you're on the buyer side, this is for you. If you're on the lender side, this is for you as well. I look forward to seeing you guys at the STR Wealth Conference.